Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here in my hand. If you guys can see, by the brand called Letscom. And pretty much what these are active noise cancellation headphones. First thing first, let me actually unbox and show you guys what comes out of the package first before we do some testing and feedback about the product. Alright, so when we open the package, you guys get this very nice little case inside. So here's a little case, and then they provide you some instruction guide or user manual on how to use the product and how to set it up. And then that's pretty much everything that's in the package. And then here we have the actual headphones right here. So right at the back, the case is actually really nice. And then when we open the product, we guys can see we have the actual headphone right here. They're foldable. They provide you a aux cord inside and a micro USB to USB cable if you guys need that to charge the product and listen to music. But here we have the headphone itself. When we open it up, it clicks. So that part kind of scares me when it clicks, but I'm pretty sure it should be fine. If anything goes wrong, you guys have that 1-year warranty. But as you can see, it's pretty dangly and looks really good so far. We'll see how long it lasts and everything, but so far so good. If you look on top, they have the little logo right there, Letscom. And if you guys look at the inside the headphone, it tells you left and right, so you guys won't mess up on putting which side is which. And then let's look at the controls or the functionalities on here. So on the left side, you guys can see there's an active noise cancellation button to turn on and off. So even when the device is off, you guys can turn on the active noise cancellation, which is really cool. If you guys look on this side, we have some other buttons on here. So the buttons we have on this side is a power button and a volume up and volume down button, and an indicator light of when it's on and off. And on the bottom, we have a micro USB slot to charge the product if you guys want to use that to charge it. There's no touch capability on here like the Sony that I tested. So let's put these on right now to show you how it looks like and then test it out. So that's what it looks like when you guys put it on. Looks really nice, feels really nice. The padding on here not like as good as the Cohen one obviously, but then it has their own way of like making it really comfortable as well, which is really cool. So let's turn on the active noise cancellation on here. The active noise cancellation is really good. I don't hear anything at all. Like it cancels all the noise. The moment I turn it off, there's so much noise, even though there doesn't seem like it. But it cancels so much noise compared to like the other headphones that I have tested in the past. But let's test out the audio because that's what the winner is for most of you guys. So we're gonna press the middle button on the right side to turn it on. Alright, so now that we tested the headphone, let me tell you guys how it sounds. Audio and bass, really good. How will I rank it compared to all the ones that I've tested in the past though? So my favorite one all time for audio and everything is obviously still the Sony headphones that I have. Comfort wise, I still have to say that these are really comfortable. Portability, these are definitely up there with the Cohen SE7 and also the linear one that I tested, and also the Sony headphone obviously. So price range, so these are all comparable for the price range. SE7, this one, and also the linear. And then last but not least, the most important thing for me honestly is the bass. How well is the bass for this product? The bass is definitely there, but I wouldn't say that this is the best bass audio out there compared to all the other headphones that I've tested in this channel. If you guys want to know what is my favorite one for the bass, I gotta give it to the linear headphones and also the Sony ones. Those definitely are the best of when it comes to bass and audio combination. These are definitely up there within my top 10 headphones so far that I've tested. I can't keep track of how many I've tested already because I've tested so many, but if you guys are trying to look for a really nice headphone that can perform well and it is portable, this is definitely up there, and I do recommend getting one of these. If you guys don't know which one you guys want to get, there's many options that I've tested in the past. So now that we did the test of the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for these right now, I believe it's going between for $60 to $70 for these headphones, and for that price range, would I say that's actually worth it or not? Honestly, I have to say that these are really worth it for what you guys are getting out of these, and also how well it performs. So if you guys want to bring these for traveling and for portability, then these are much smaller and much lightweight than the Cohen one for sure. So at the end of the day, it really depends on you guys, a consumer, of what is your preference, what you guys perform more, and what you guys are willing to sacrifice to get the other thing, and what is your budget for getting these headphones. If you guys looking for a much more cheaper one that can perform really well compared to other headphones, then definitely this is up there with all the other ones I've tested. But other than that, that's much it for this little unboxing and testing and feedback of this product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have